Welcome back. We are going to get ready to start math today, and we're going to warm up first with a sprint. It is on page number 117 in our Starry Night Fluency book. As you notice, we're getting closer and closer to the end of this book, and we're getting closer and closer to the end of our school year. I can't believe our time together is almost up. But yes, page 117. So 11, 10, 7 ones. 11, 10, 7. 117. It looks like this. And it reads, write the unknown number. Pay attention to the symbols. Alright, so what we're going to do is, as always, we're going to put 1 minute on the clock. We're going to do our best work, starting at the top, working our way down, return to the top, and working our way down. So, let's see what we get here. On your mark, get set, go! Okay. You heard the bell just like I did. That means stop! Which means we're going to go ahead and check our work. And you know what? I already know you did an awesome job, but let's check it out. Come on.
Hey guys, so let's go ahead and check our work. It says to write the unknown number. Pay attention to the symbols. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 9, 9, 1, 1, 8, 1, 7, 1, 7, 10, 8, 8, 2, 2. Top of column 2, question number 16. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3, 5, 8, 2, 2, 9, 7, 2, 9, 4, 4, 4, 8. I think for a second. 8. Alright, go ahead and count up how you did. Find the number you got right in the starburst. I think I did good. It looks like I got them all right. So we'll put 30 in the starburst. How about we take a look at a few of them. We'll look at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is happening with these 5 right down here? Correct. They are coming from the same number bond. This is the 2 and 8 make 10 number bond, and we have several different ways to write addition and subtraction sentences. All right, guys, let's go ahead and continue our lesson. Come on.
Great job on this sprint. We are ready to continue with our application problem, which is on page number 73 in our blue trimmed Learn book. Ooh, because we're learning, yes. And it tells us that Julio reads 6 books this week. Emmy reads 12 books this week. Woo. How many fewer books did Julio read than Emmy? Because there's 3 questions. So, there's going to be 3 dots to respond, 1 for each question. And I know there's 3 questions because there are 3 question marks. So listen to each question. Start at the beginning. Julio reads 6 books this week. Okay, so here we go. So here, underline this with me in your book. Julio read 6 books this week. So that's this thing where 2 words are spelled the same but they're different. It's crazy. Happens in English. Emmy read 12 books this week. That is our information. So now we're going to get into our 3 questions. There'll be a spot, and then a spot, and then a spot to answer all the questions. All right, here we go. How many fewer books did Julio read than Emmy? Go back to the beginning. Julio read 6 books this week. Emmy read 12 books this week. I'm going to question 2. How many books did they read in all? Going back to the information. Julio read 6 books this week. Emmy read 12 books this week. How many more books does Julio have to read so that he has read 1 more book than Emmy? How many more books does Julio have to read so that he has read 1 more book than Emmy? Okay, a lot of questions. You got this. You got this. Okay, so, lots of pieces to that. So, we find out, lots and lots of little bits of information. We find out that Julio reads 6 fewer books. We find out that they read 18 books together. So to figure out the 6 fewer books, we subtract it. So Emmy's books minus Julio's books equals 6. And then to figure out how many they read together, we put Emmy's books and Julio's books together. So we add it. So are those the same number bond or different number bonds? Different number bonds. Good. Different number bonds. Okay. Because the wholes are not the same. Good, good, good. Okay. And then our last question was to tell us how many books would Julio need to read 1 more than Emmy. And that is to say that Julio needs to read 7 more books to have read 1 more book than Emmy. So the 6 books he presently read, plus the 6 fewer and 1 more is 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Woo, there's a lot of questions. A lot of questions. But it was good. It was good for us. Good for us. All right, let's keep going. All right, this is just a setup. Yes, we are doing this again today. And yes, today we will go back to using the number bonds. So we can either draw a picture, or we can make a number bond where we add the ones. Add the ones first. 19 and 1 is 20. 20 and 10 is 30. Or we can also use the number bond when we add the tens first. 19 and 10 is 29, 29 and 1 is 30. Do they both work? Yes. Do they give us the same answer? Yes. Good. So, let's do some together. So this one, yeah, see look, but this time, aha, the difference with this model is that we created a group of 10. Same rules apply. 59 plus 21, 59 and 20, 79, 79 and 1, 80. Or 59 and 1 is 60, 60 and 20, 80. Just depends which way you like to move them better. Either way, is the picture the same? Yes, the picture is the same. Good. Because you're doing the same problem. You're just moving the pieces how you see fit to actually find your answer. Because you got to put all the pieces together because we're adding. So now let's look at page 231 in that lovely Succeed book. Notice red number, red trim, page 231, and we're going to start with letter B. And for some reason today I decided to stack them like this. So we're probably going to use some of our spaces. We're going to use our spaces on the edges to draw pictures. And so what you can do, because I'm not going to ask you to do the problems around it. So 231, right? We're doing B, C, E, F. We're doing these ones right here. B, C, E, F. You can use this space to draw a picture for B. You can use this space to draw a picture for E. If you need to use space here, that's fine. Or even, what is this? What is this? No, I'm serious, what is this? Exactly, it's a blank sheet of paper. Spread out how you need to so you can see the work, because we're going to solve each problem multiple ways. So let's start by, let's draw a picture first. We're going to draw a picture first. We're going to draw 46 plus 49. I'm going to draw it out here. Told you I'm going to use all my space. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 49. 110, 210, 310, 410. 410 1, 410 2, 410 3, 410 4, 410 5, 410 6, 410 7, 410 8, 410 9. All right, so I have now drawn both parts. I counted out the first part the regular way. I counted out the second part the same 10 way. Still get the same thing. Not like the same number because we're doing 46 and 49, but pictures to represent the numbers that we were given. Now, the same way we did the other day, we're going to check out the ones. Look at all them ones. Do you think we're making a group of 10? Of course we are. And the easier, my perception is the easier way to do that is to move one from here, because that just needed 1 to complete the group of 10. This just needed 1 to complete the group of 10. So now we have 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910, 910, 1, 910, 2, 910, 3, 910, 4, 910, 5. So, according to our picture, our answer is 9, 10, 5. According to our picture, our answer is 9, 10, 5. Now, to solve this problem, did I add the ones first or the 10? Like, what did I move around? What did I move around to make my job easier? I moved a 1. So let's model this with numbers right here. So what I did was I took 1 from the 46 to add to the 49, and then I was left with 45 as my smaller piece. So then we see that 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. And now I don't have any loose ones to deal with on one of my parts. 50 plus 45 is equal to 95. And so again, this time we added the ones first. We added the ones first this time. I moved 1 1 over to complete this group of 10. Once that group of 10 was completed, I counted on. I counted on. Good job. Now, let's do this one over here. All right, the next one reads 28 plus 54. Again, I'm going to use my extra space to draw my picture. So I want to, like I said, this is newer. Well, it's not new. It's same. It's module 4 again. It's module 2 again. It's module 1 again. But the numbers are bigger. Same thing we've been doing. So 28, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 510, 1, 510, 2, 510, 3, 510, 4. 510, 4. Okay? Now, do you see where I have enough ones to complete a group of 10? Do I have enough ones to complete a group of 10? I do. Excellent. And which part is closer to its next group of 10? 28 or 54? 28. Go ahead. 28 needs just 2 more ones to complete a group of 10, correct? Yes. So what I did was 28 plus 2 is now 30. 30 plus the remaining 52. So 30, 10, 20, 30. Look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Count the remaining ones. 81, 82. So according to our picture, 28 plus 54 is equal to 82. According to our picture, 28 plus 54 is equal to 82. Yay? Yay or nay? Yay. Okay. So this time we're going to do the same thing. We're going to write the numbers to match the picture. Now, again, this time I added some ones to complete a group of 10 first. I added some ones to the 28 to complete a group of 10 first. And I left the smaller piece. Like, I know our smaller piece is 52, but 52 is smaller than 54, right? Yeah, because 28 was closer to having a complete group of 10 than 54 was. 28 was closer. 28 just had 2 steps, whereas 54, either we need to go back 4 or forward 6. 28 is closer. 28 is closer. So 28 and the 2 ones is 30. 30 and the other 52. Well, I now put my 10s together and I have my remaining ones. Did I do this right? Do my pictures and my numbers match? Yeah, my pictures and my numbers match. We did a good job. Yay, us. Okay, so this time we're going to draw the picture again. We're going to draw 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 610, 1, 610, 2, 610, 3, 610, 4, 610, 5, 610, 6, 610, 7, 610, 8, 610, 9. Am I done? No, there's only one part. We still gotta draw 23. Now this time, I know there's a complete group of 10 in here, but what I want to do, because I want us to practice it, I want to add my 10s first. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we added the given 10s first, 80. Now we'll start counting in the ones, and once we complete a group of 10, we'll circle it. So let's start over. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Starting counting by ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. So our solution, putting all these pieces together, based on the picture, counting by tens and then adding the ones, we should get 92. We got 92. Let's write the numbers to match that. Now, numbers-wise, what we did was we added the tens and then we added the ones. So we're going to break apart one of these parts into smaller pieces. Which part did we actually break into smaller pieces? Or should we break into smaller pieces? 23, because it's the smaller part. And what we did was 6 tens and 2 tens. That's literally what we did. So we're saying 20 and 3. So 69 plus 20, we went up by 2 groups of tens, 89, and then we went up by the remaining 3 ones, 89, 90. So we crossed over into another group of 10, so we are going to have to change the value in the tens place, even though we're just adding ones, because 9 ones plus 3 ones is 12 ones. And we can't leave 12 ones, so 89 and 3 is 92. 89 and 3 is 92. So did we do a good job? We did do a good job. We have the right stuff happening here. My pictures and my numbers match. Again, we're going to do the same thing for letter F, following the same idea of adding the tens together first and then adding the ones together. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 10. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 19. All right, so now my pictures communicate my numbers. So let's count them up. 10, 1, no, 10, 1 would be 11. I was wrong. So 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10. So now we're switching, we're adding ones, doing one at a time. 7, 10, 1, 7, 10, 2, 7, 10, 3, 7, 10, 4, 7, 10, 5, 7, 10, 6, 7, 10, 7, 7, 10, 8, 7, 10, 9, 8, 10. Woo! 8, 10, completed a group of 10. 8, 10, 1, 8, 10, 2, 8, 10, 3, 8, 10, 4, 8, 10, 5, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 8. So 8, 10, 8 is what? What is 8, 10, 8? 88. 88. So let's put some numbers that match with the picture work we did. Now remember, when you're working independently, you don't have to do 2 strategies. I am doing this on purpose to show you the pictures and the numbers match. The pictures and the numbers go together. It's just like a book it's just like any given book you would read. The pictures and the word sentences go together. In this case, the pictures and the number sentences go together. So again here, we broke apart 19 into a group of 10 and 9 ones. That's what happened. We added the group of 10 to the larger part, 69, and another group of 10, we agreed was 79. And then to that 79, we added the remaining 9 ones. Well, 9 ones and 9 ones gave us 18 ones, which actually made a whole nother group of 10. So 79 and 9, 88. 69 plus 19 15 is equal to 88. Do my numbers and my picture match? Yes, we did a great job. My numbers and my picture match. That means we did it right. If your number and your pictures match. So level 3 goal is you're doing with numbers. Level 2 is that you can do it with pictures. My goal is that you got it right, that you got it done, that you understand it, whether you're doing pictures or numbers. Because at the end of the day, you're going to have a number solution because you got to put all the pieces together. You got to put all the pieces together. All right, so let's keep it rolling. Let's keep rolling. Let me show you what you're going to do independently. You wrote a lot today. But now you got to write some more because you need to do your problem set, which starts on page 75 in your alarm book. It is front and back. Same rules we've had all week, wherein you worked your hardest, you worked your best, not bathroom breaking, not staring off in space, but you do what you can in 10 minutes. If at minute 9.5 you're ready to cry, stop. Stop. It's okay. You can stop. Because in theory, at that point, you've completed enough that will show me that you have evidence that you can do it. So if that's where you're at, take a quick, I am loved, I am important. And then come back to the assignment so that you can complete and turn in your exit ticket, which will show me that you've completed, like you've attempted, you've worked on it. And there should be, even if you don't have an answer, you know how to draw these pictures. You know how to draw your 10s and 1s. So you should at least be drawing the pictures. But guys, that's all I have for you today. I can't wait to see you later. And I'm so glad to be adding to 100 with you. But until later, bye.